But just how was Tesla able to transmit electricity wirelessly for several miles when modern scientists can only manage 7 feet? Tesla credited his many inventions to the ability to realize them entirely in his mind. He also described experiencing intense flashes of light, which were followed by moments of intense creativity and clarity.
He would see an invention appear before his eyes in almost holographic detail. He said that he could rotate these visions, take them apart piece by piece, and he knew exactly how he was going to build these inventions based on his visionary experiences.
One of his greatest creations is the rotating magnetic field, and that came in a flash of intuition. He felt that we were receivers, that all impulses came from the outside, and that we worked on these impulses. So he doesn't believe that they come from dreams or inner visions. He really felt that we were, in a sense, self-propelled robots.
Some ancient astronaut theorists believe there may be another explanation for Tesla's uncanny abilities and mysterious visions. They suggest these spontaneous episodes are proof that Tesla was receiving information from an otherworldly source.
These images would literally burst into his mind. Somehow, somewhere, some connection was made. And it's the same way that biblical prophets received their prophecy. Nikola Tesla was clearly in touch with something.
You have to wonder if extraterrestrials themselves weren't feeding him images of inventions that only he could understand.
Nikola Tesla felt there was a knowledge base located somewhere in the universe that all of humanity could tap into if they just knew how to properly tune their mind to this knowledge base.
Is it possible Nikola Tesla was actually being fed images to assist him in furthering mankind? And if so, could Tesla have tapped into an ancient source of knowledge, perhaps even rediscovering technology that may have been used before?
We have these stories of towers that might have relayed energy, that like the obelisks that we can find all around the world, that they at some point were all connected and that they were feeding off the Earth's magnetic grid.
It's been discovered in ancient Egyptian temples and tombs, carvings that look suspiciously like modern-day light bulbs and Tesla coils.
Was there a certain technology and energy system of ancient times that we still have remnants of today? Giant pyramids, obelisks, huge standing stones and towers. Perhaps they were all part of some extraterrestrial, huge energy system.
Was Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower meant to connect to an ancient energy grid, powered not only by the Earth, but eventually by other planets as well? And if so, is it possible Nikola Tesla was communicating with advanced celestial beings that visited Earth thousands of years ago? Perhaps further clues can be found with the mysterious radio transmissions Tesla claimed he received in 1899 from outer space.